Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you're searching for the best setup videos, then subscribe our YouTube channel. This channel provides you the easy and quick setup videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just a few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Trenzu M-A18 router antenna booster. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the M-A18 1200 megabits per second dual-band Wi-Fi wireless repeater is a Wi-Fi repeater/router with built-in antenna boosters that strengthen your Wi-Fi coverage. In the first step, plug the Trenzu M-A18 into a wall socket near your router. Switch it on if it has a power button. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power/Wi-Fi LED starts blinking or stays on. Now locate the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi, or shown with circle and lock icon. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS light will start blinking, meaning it is ready to pair. You now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. In the next step, find the WPS button on the Trenzu M-A18. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then release. The extender's LED will start blinking rapidly. Do not unplug or press any button. Wait 1 to 3 minutes. When pairing is successful, the LED stops blinking and becomes solid, steady. This means the extender has copied your router's Wi-Fi name and password automatically. Now move the extender to final location. Unplug the extender. Plug it into a socket, halfway between router and weak signal area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will solve your problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such as more updates.